Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation. As we enter the frequency of the Lion's Gate portal and open to the abundance within and all around us, no matter when you choose to listen to this journey, you will experience the frequency of pure wealth and abundance in every form. As you sink into the here and now, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into a meditative state, deeper and deeper into the here and now. Every breath you take, allowing you to align with universal consciousness, source energy. As you breathe deep into this moment, allowing your body, your mind to simply sink into a state of surrender, continuing to focus on your breath as you envision yourself walking down a beautiful golden forest path. Everything is shimmering like the earth itself is made of gold. You feel light, at ease, open. As you walk down this path, a beautiful red energy swirls around you, grounding you into the earth, creating structure, stability, safety within, grounding into the truth and knowing that you are abundance, you are wealth, you are innately worthy here and now. As you continue to breathe, a beautiful orange energy swirls around you, awakening your creative, sensual, passionate energy, deepening into a state of surrender, overflowing with life force energy as you become a magnet for all you desire. Breathing deeply as a vibrant yellow now moves through your system, activating and opening your power center fully, your internal flame, your ability to alchemize darkness into light, pain into beauty, everything into gold. Breathing in this powerful alchemic frequency, standing a little taller, owning all that you are as a beautiful green energy dances through your system, aligning you with the frequency of love. As you open, you are able to give and receive freely, standing in your innate worth, knowing you are the frequency of universal consciousness. You are wealth. You are all that you desire in this moment, here and now. as a bright blue energy drapes over you, opening your soul essence, your ability to freely express authentically from the deepest caverns of your soul, from your all-knowing ethereal nature. As this blue deepens into a vibrant indigo, each and every sense coming fully online, opening you to the wisdom of the universe as every puzzle piece of your life comes into perfect clarity. And with a final burst of the colors, a beautiful violet pours down from the heavens into your crown, awakening the divinity within as you become one, universal consciousness in human form, aligned from head to toe, soul to bone, breathing in deep as you find yourself back on the beautiful golden forest path. You were invited here today to step into the frequency of abundance. As you've entered this new timeline, you entered a realm where not even the sky is the limit. Unfathomable wealth, abundance, and miracles exist within and for you now. As you continue to walk through this golden forest, you see beautiful figures ahead, light bodies draped in gold, welcoming you to heed the call of this powerful energy. As they gather around you, creating a circle with you in the center, they brought you here to share their infinite wisdom and open you to receive the free-flowing abundance always available. In this moment, they will share a powerful message about who and what you are. You can ask them any questions you might have about maintaining this frequency in your walking physical reality. Breathe deep into this moment. The time is yours. As this powerful message and activation comes to an end, the guides place their hands on your chest and back, on your sacral and solar plexus, both front and back, grounding you into the frequency of wealth and abundance As they do, a powerful golden energy spirals all around you, creating pixels as you dissolve and become the gold of the environment in which you stand. As you dissolve into this environment, you experience your true nature, a frequency, a consciousness with no limits. As you realize this powerful truth, you are warped back into your human form, standing again with the guides who stand before you in awe as you remember the sanctity of your being, as you remember that you are worthy here and now, in each and every moment of your waking existence, whether physical or ethereal. You are wealth incarnate, a walking, talking, breathing miracle, divinity in human form. As you stand a little taller with the clarity of this knowing, thanking these beautiful guides for their message and activation today, as you make your way back down the golden forest path, setting the intention that as you re-enter your physical experience, you will bring with you the knowing and remembering that you are everything, the entirety of the universe in human form, and everything you seek is already yours. As you raise your frequency to align with all you desire, it will materialize for you. Feeling the excitement in your bones as this knowing activates every cell in your body, breathing in deep. As your fingers and toes begin to wiggle, you feel yourself expand into the realm of unlimited possibility, knowing that you are a magnet for everything you desire, that it is being created for you now. As you open to receive it, it will be yours. Breathing deep, my sweet friend, lying here as long as it feels necessary. Namaste.